Welcome to Fetchy. I'm so excited that you're here and want to give you a quick tutorial on how he works. So first thing I want to share is that Fetchy is not your typical chatbot. You are going to text him like you do yourself, and he's going to store and organize anything you do not want to forget, like recipes, notes about your friends, or grocery and to-do list items. Every time you text Fetchy, he's going to reply with an emoji so you know instantly what happened. If you see a file folder, that means he saved it. If you see a clock, your reminder is set. And if you see a magnifying glass, that means he found something for you. Saving notes in Fetchy is pretty simple. You just text him whatever you want to remember. So that is a note, a link, or an image. The one pro tip here is that if it's not super obvious what that something is or what you want to do with it, just add a couple of words and Fetchy will be able to use that to organize your content correctly. Sometimes Fetchy might get things wrong, and that's completely okay. He's still learning and growing. For example, he might think your text is a fetch when it's actually something you want to save. So when that happens, just go back to your original message and just react with the emoji you meant, and he'll fix it. Let's talk about my favorite part of Fetchy, which is using him for reminders. All you need to do is text him what you wanted to be reminded of, and that's it. When you send in one text, you're going to get one reminder. Now, we currently support specific dates and times, and then also some recurring reminders as well. A quick pro tip here, you can actually also include an image or a link to any of your reminders as well. All right, lastly, let's talk about Fetch. When you want something back, just text Fetch and what you're looking for. Fetchy is going to send you back your results, and if there are multiple matches, you're going to see a numbered list. If you want to see the full note, just reply with a number, and if you want to delete something, just reply with remove followed by that number. And that's Fetchy. Happy fetching, everybody!